4 machines. That is the entire operation. Most people hear that and picture something they walk past every single day without a second thought. They do not picture $2,300 landing in a checking account every month, without a single employee, a single product launch, or a single customer service call. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to acquire an ATM route for $15,000 or less, what the real net looks like month by month from acquisition to month 9, and why this path beats almost everything else at this capital level. Here is the part that matters. The reason this works is the exact reason most people walk right past it. What I'm about to walk you through took over 40 hours of research, operator interviews, and real acquisition deal math to put together. Numbers are drawn from real roots. All I ask is this: if you are getting value, hit like right now. It costs you 1 second and it tells me to keep building content like this. No hype, no gurus, no fluff. Watch the full story on my page and don't forget to subscribe. Now, I am going to show you the exact numbers, month by month, dollar by dollar. Stay with me. Here is what most people do with $15,000. They put it in a high-yield savings account at 4.5%. That is $675 a year, $56 a month. They call it financial responsibility. Or they go the other direction, a food truck, an Etsy store. They spend months building and wondering where the customers went. 5 years later, they are in the same position. Except now, they are also exhausted. Neither path treats $15,000 for what it is, enough capital to acquire a business that already works. $15,000 is enough to acquire, not start. Except now they are also exhausted. Neither path treats $15,000 for what it is, enough capital to acquire a business that already works. $15,000 is enough to acquire, not start. At the $10,000 to $20,000 range, there is an entire category of cash-flowing assets that most people systematically ignore, not because they do not produce income, but because they are invisible. The key is deal structure, knowing how to identify assets mispriced because the seller is motivated, not because the asset is broken. Let's look at the vehicle, the ATM route. The key is deal structure, knowing how to identify assets mispriced because the seller is motivated, not because the asset is broken. Let's look at the vehicle, the ATM route. An ATM route is a portfolio of 3 to 8 machines placed inside physical businesses, bars, laundromats, convenience stores. You own the machine, not the location. An ATM route is a portfolio of 3 to 8 machines placed inside physical businesses, bars, laundromats, convenience stores. You own the machine, not the location. The business owner grants floor space for a small cut. Every time a customer pays the surcharge fee, that money flows to you. The location gets its split. You keep the rest. On a 4-machine route, machine acquisition, 4 used units, $11,000. Working cash flow, meaning the bills you keep loaded, $2,500. LLC, insurance and supplies, $1,500. Total, $15,000. Now let's look at the revenue side. A mid-traffic placement processes between 180 and 300 transactions per month. We use $3 flat to be conservative. At 240 transactions, that is $720 gross per machine. Processing fees are $40. Location share averages $90. Insurance is $15. Net per machine, $575 per month. 4 machines equal $2,300 per month net on $15,000 in. 1. Life circumstances. The most common seller is someone who built a small route as a side project and has since relocated. The route no longer fits their schedule. They aren't selling a broken asset. Reason 2. Capital reallocation. They want to fund a larger asset like a laundromat or commercial property. Reason 3. Scale exit. Trimming the bottom of a large portfolio. Reason 2. Capital reallocation. They want to fund a larger asset like a laundromat or commercial property. Reason 3. Scale exit. Trimming the bottom of a large portfolio. Run from any seller who cannot provide 6 months of transaction records directly from the processor. I do not care how clean the pitch sounds. Numbers don't lie. Sellers do. Remember, a machine that doesn't transact doesn't earn. Verify transaction logs from the processor's portal, not a screenshot. This is the single filter that will save you. Search ATM route for sale filtered to your state. Local business brokers and direct outreach are also key. Walk into a laundromat and ask who owns the machine. Many sell before listing. 4-point verification before you send $1. 1. Documentation. Request 12 months of transaction logs directly from the processor, not from the seller. This is non-negotiable. It must be the raw source. Have a technician inspect machines before closing. A hidden repair can wipe out months of net income. If the reason for sale is vague, that is data you must consider. The listed price is not final. Target 10 to 20% below asking. For distressed sellers, you can go 30 to 40% below. Always verify logs at the source. This is about acquiring a business that already works. Don't fall for the hype. Trust the raw export from the processor portal. Now, let's look at the month-by-month blueprint. Now the blueprint. Month 1 and 2, acquisition and placement. $11,000 in machines, $2,500 float, $1,500 startup. Total, $15,000. Maintain a separate $1,000 reserve. Do not touch it. Offer business owners a free installation for a 50-cent cut per transaction. You handle every repair and cash load. Expect to have 8 to 12 conversations before confirming 4 placements. Month 2 and 3, operations and optimization. Lever 1, surcharge adjustment. Increase from $3 to $3.25 at high volume spots. That is $240 added net across 4 machines. Lever 2, relocation. Relocate underperformers after 60 days. Lever 3, load frequency. Shift to a 10 to 14 day cycle for more time back. Your net is now toward $2,300. Month 4 through 6, the discipline phase. Every dollar beyond living costs goes into a separate reinvestment reserve. Target, accumulate $4,000 to $6,000. This is where most people quit. They see consistent cash and spend it. This is why most never build wealth. The money is there, but the discipline is not. Month 7 through 9, the reinvestment decision. Option A, add a 5th machine funded from cash flow. Option B, acquire a second 4-machine route via seller financing. $3,000 down from your reserve. $11,000 financed at 8%. The second route generates $2,300 net. After the $345 payment, that's $1,955 from route 2. Combined by month 9, $4,255 per month. You've recouped your initial investment. The machines are running. The income is real. Total capital from your pocket remains $15,000. Everything else was built from the cash flow of the asset itself. Now, the risks. Risk 1, asset underperformance. If net drops, relocation is your fix. You have a 60-day window to move the machine. This mobility is the protection most people overlook. Risk 2, machine malfunction. Technical failures take units offline. Maintain a $500 repair reserve per machine. Most repairs cost under $400. Extended warranties are worth it. Risk 3, location loss. A business terminates your placement. The fix is diversification. Never allow one location to represent more than 30% of your monthly revenue. Spread your placements across different neighborhoods and business types. The boring business model is resilient because it is simple. The downside is defined. That is why boring builds real wealth. Recap time. The full timeline, $15,000 deployed. Optimization levers rising to $2,300. Discipline phase with $6,000 reserve. Second route scaled to $4,255 per month combined by month 9. Total out of pocket, $15,000. You are acquiring existing cash flowing assets and compounding them until the income is real. This is what it means to be boring rich. Your homework. Search ATM route on BizBuySell. Look for listings active for 30+ days. Those are motivated sellers. Screenshot every listing under $20,000. Build your pipeline. Next week, evaluation line by line. I read every comment. Your answer shapes the next breakdown. Like this video. Share it with one serious person. Subscribe and hit the bell. Every Wednesday, a new deal breakdown. See you then. Stay boring.